True power doesn't follow the road. It creates its own path. Most luxury vehicles are designed for city streets, luxury hotels, and perfect highways. But what happens when the pavement ends? When the terrain becomes unpredictable, and nature challenges every step forward. This is where ordinary SUVs surrender, and legends take over. Welcome to the world of off-road luxury. A world where handcrafted leather meets brutal terrain. Where cutting-edge technology meets unstoppable capability. And where only the strongest machines earn the right to wear the crown. Today, we're looking at the vehicle many enthusiasts consider the undisputed king of off-road luxury, the Mercedes G-Class. The moment it appears, you know exactly what it is. The iconic boxy shape. The upright stance. The unmistakable presence. For more than 4 decades, the G-Wagon has remained one of the most recognizable vehicles on the planet. Unlike many luxury SUVs that constantly change their identity, the G-Class stays true to its roots. It doesn't need flashy curves or dramatic styling. Its strength is its confidence. Whether parked outside a 5-star hotel or climbing a rocky mountain trail, the G-Class looks perfectly at home. And that's what makes it special. Step inside, and the rugged exterior disappears. Premium leather surrounds every surface. Advanced digital displays bring the future into view. Ambient lighting transforms the cabin at night. Massaging seats, premium audio, and cutting-edge technology create an experience worthy of a luxury limousine. Every detail is crafted to deliver comfort at the highest level. This isn't just an SUV. It's a rolling luxury suite. Yet beneath all that elegance lies something far more impressive. The real magic begins when the road disappears. 3 locking differentials. Advanced 4-wheel drive. Massive ground clearance. And legendary durability. Mud, sand, snow, rocks, and steep mountain trails become challenges the G-Class was born to conquer. While many luxury SUVs focus primarily on comfort, the G-Wagon never forgets its off-road heritage. It was engineered to go where few luxury vehicles dare to travel. And it does it without sacrificing comfort, power, or prestige. That's why adventurers, celebrities, business leaders, and automotive enthusiasts continue to admire it around the world. The Mercedes G-Class isn't just another luxury SUV. It's a symbol of power. A symbol of capability. And for many, the true king of off-road luxury. But what do you think? Does the G-Wagon deserve the crown, or would you choose another luxury off-road machine? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more incredible automotive content.